You guys keep complaining that print on demand is too competitive, that's why you're not selling. But the truth is, you just don't know how to adapt to the changing market landscape and come up with new ways to become more competitive. And with the increasing popularity of print on demand, it's more important than ever before to discover untapped niches in order to stand out from the competition. And today I'm going to show you how to find low competition print on demand niches for your business. This is a game changer that will take your business to that next level. We'll navigate the research process together using tools like Merch Dominator and Merch Dominator AI Niche Generator. This will help us spark new ideas, evaluate competition, and guarantee copyright-free quotes. Next, we'll dive into t-shirt design creation using Merch Dominator Designer and Creative Fabrica. This platform provides us with commercially usable and copyright-free graphic designs and graphic elements. By following this process to a T, you'll be able to expand your print-on-demand business and tap into new niche markets. So sit back and relax, grab a drink, and get ready to uncover untapped niches that will take your business to new heights. And for those of you who are new to print-on-demand, I'm going to give you guys this ultimate guide to print-on-demand success, $10K a month formula for free. You can download it right here from the link down below in the description, which is this one right here. You also have other tools and resources that you might need, like if you don't have a Merch by Amazon account, you can check it out from here. You can get Merch Dominator discounted at 50% off, lifetime discounts. Just use this coupon code right here, 50 off. Check out the Merch Dominator Discord, Merch Dominator affiliate program if you want to promote it and make money from it. My Merch by Amazon course, which is literally a blueprint of how I've achieved everything that I've achieved so far, and other useful tools and resources, etc. Now, the first step is idea generation. I'm going to use Merch Dominator and AI Niche Generator from Merch Dominator as well. Now, to generate an idea, you can either brainstorm ideas with several general niches like nostalgia, environmental sustainability, occupational stuff, professions and whatnot, interests, hobbies, sports, educational stuff, the teacher niche, etc., geographical locations, local locations, or you can do personalized and custom designs. Then you also have health and wellness. There's plenty of niches that you can start off with. If you're not sure where to start, you can literally come to the bestsellers page right here on Merch Dominator. Remove the brands. This is how we do it. Click on advanced options and then come down here. Click on hide brands. Click on yes. Search. So now you don't have any brands, so you've got nothing to worry about. Then you start exploring the niches. There's literally thousands upon thousands of niches. The other idea is you go to AI tools and then you click on AI Niche Generator, and you can either select one randomly from the popular niches list right here, or you can specify a keyword or generate a niche randomly. Let's see what happens when we click on generate random. Let's generate 10 niches randomly. Click on generate. There you go. Funny cat lover, yoga, bookworm, gamer, crafter, pizza, music festival, etc. Now, to get the most untapped niches is we have to dig deeper, right? If we find a niche that sells really well, we have to try and find sub niches of that niche. Or you could also cross niche it with another niche, or you could cross niche it with another design concept that does really well. In this case, we're going to try and sub niche. I'm going to scroll down and try and find a design that is scalable. This is what we call scalable design. We can scale it across multiple niches. As I'm scrolling down, I found this design right here. It says eat, sleep, baseball, repeat. So the first thing that comes to mind is we can literally scale it across all of the sports that can come to our mind. So we could scale it with basketball, football, soccer, softball, volleyball, etc., etc. And here's how you do it. So we go to the AI Niche Generator again, but this time we're going to select from list because we already have the sports niche over here. If you don't find your niche, literally just go to specify the keyword and enter whatever niche you want, and then you can generate sub niches of that particular niche. Let's click on sports, generate 10 niches, click on generate. Right, so you've got football, tennis, volleyball, swimming, golf, boxing, soccer, baseball, wrestling, loads and loads, guys. So let's say we're going to select basketball. We put half a basketball over here and the other half is text. It's literally the simplest design you could make. I'm even going to show you how to make this design. It's that simple. And let's say you want to choose hobbies. Let's select hobbies and then click on generate. We've got drawing, yoga, cooking, hiking, gardening, etc. You want more? Just click on regenerate. There you go. You've got loads more. You want more? Click on regenerate. And then each time you could save these niches, you could copy these niches, you could download these niches, you could even go to the niche generation history and find all the niches that the tool has generated for you. Now, the other way is, let's say you found a niche that is scalable, right? For example, eat, sleep, niche, repeat, right? You could literally go to keywords, click on keyword analysis, and you're going to type your niche. So for example, I'm going to put eat and then change search type to live Amazon suggestions. The first one gives you live Amazon related keywords. We don't want that. We want live Amazon suggestions because that's going to give us literally tens of suggestions following the same pattern. Click on search. It's going to complete the sentences for us. So we've got eat, sleep, anime, repeat. Eat, sleep, anime, game, repeat. Eat, sleep, baseball. Eat, sleep, dance. Eat, sleep, doodle. Eat, sleep, football. Eat, sleep, game. You get the gist of it. You could even do it with product search. Let's say you want to even research this keyword right here. You could open it up here, click on first page, and you could see what's already selling, guys. You could even do it here in product search. And we've got loads of long tail keywords, as you guys can see. Eat, sleep, cheer, repeat, baseball, gym, football, etc. Now, what you have to do next is obviously you need to find the competition for these niches, right? Let's say we want to choose surfing, for example. Copy, we go to product search and type eat, sleep, surfing, repeat, and let's check the competition for this niche. There's literally not many. There's literally 152 results, and not all of them say eat, sleep, surfing, repeat. This niche is pretty empty, guys, as you can see. So the idea is keep trying different sub niches until you find something that doesn't have much competition and that is selling well, or at least the scalable phrase is popular. For example, eat, sleep, repeat is a very popular scalable phrase. You could try another one like just a girl who loves whatever, like anime and sketching, volleyball, football, etc, etc. Now the next bit is you need to make sure that this quote is trademark free. So we copy our quote and we go to the trademark module over here, click on TM search, and then we go to by keyword, and then we do phrase match, and then we paste our keyword here, select USPTO, 25 clothing, word, we want registered and filed, click on search. So we are good to go. Now, why do we search for trademarks? This step is very important to avoid copyright infringement issues. You need to check if the phrases you want to use for your designs are already protected by trademarks or not. Now, the next step is obviously creating your design, right? It's very simple. Using Merge Dominator, you just go to tools over here and choose designer, and you have a fully fledged designer right here, similar to Photoshop. It's Photopea. Basically, we integrated it into Merge Dominator so that you guys can have everything in one place. So click on file, click on new, and then change your dimensions. So we're going to use 4500 by 5400, just like that. I'm going to have a black background, okay, and then click on create. Now we need two elements. We need the graphics. So I'm going to use the example of eat, sleep, basketball, repeat. So I need a basketball basically, which I'm going to get from Creative Fabrica. I'm just going to type basketball and I'm going to try and find a graphic that suits my design. Scrolling down, I'm probably going to use this one right here. So we open it and then download it like so. And if you want to get 10 free downloads of Creative Fabrica, just go to my link down below in the description. Click on this link right here, my main print on demand tools and resources. And you'll come to this page right here where I have all my resources, all the discounts, everything like that. Scroll down and you'll be able to find all access Creative Fabrica free trial. Click on here and go ahead and register to get 10 downloads for free. Now we need to go ahead and import this design right here. There it is. And then I'm going to need to drag it over here. Obviously it's black on black is not going to show. So I have to change the color to white. How I do that, it's pretty simple. I'm going to come to effects, color overlay, change it to white. Now I need it to be facing the other way. I'm going to click over here, transform controls, and then I'm going to turn it around like that, rotate it just like that. Now we need to write the words eat, sleep, basketball, repeat. Click on T, just like that. Stretch it out a little bit. I'm using this very famous font called Bebas, B-E-B-A-S. If you can't find a font that you like, literally just click on the font selection over here and then load fonts. Obviously, you need to find your font from anywhere like that font or from Creative Fabrica. They have loads of nice fonts, and then import it here. So I'm going to click on Alt and drag because I've got a Mac, or you can click on Command Shift and J. It will create you another layer. Sleep, basketball. I realize the font is too big, so I'm going to have to make it smaller, and then repeat. Now I need to try and make it look nice and appealing, just like that. Now the trick is we have to make sure that they're all the same size. And now I need to make this smaller, just like that. As you guys can see, that looks good to me. And now I'm going to select the whole thing and stretch it out, just like that. And this side as well. You can group it, you can do whatever you want, but this looks good to me. Take it up a little bit. Now remove the background. You can stylize it even further, add colors if you want. You could add a grunge effects, do whatever you want here. So now we remove the background and we need to export the PNG, of course. Click on File, click on Export as PNG, name your design, basketball, repeat, click on Save, and there you have it, guys. And now upload the design to multiple print-on-demand websites using the same keywords, title, and description, which you can also generate using the AI listing creator, which I've discussed so many times in many videos. There's a tutorial on Merge Dominator that shows you exactly how to use that. It's so easy to use, and you can generate your listing in a couple of seconds, so make sure you check it out. And from here, literally, it's rinse and repeat. Repeat the entire process for different sub-niches to diversify your account and increase your chances of success. Now, continuously explore new niches and create fresh designs to stay ahead of the competition. And what you have to do is keep track of what works, what doesn't work, and learn from your mistakes, your experiences, and adjust your strategies accordingly. And if you want to learn the whole process from finding a niche to finding keywords, creating a design, creating the listing, and uploading, watch this video. It's going to help you out massively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.